Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech School. In this video, we will learn what basic data entry is in Microsoft Excel. Do not worry if you are new. This lesson is made very easy, so even kids can understand it. Let us start. Basic data entry means typing information into Excel. This information can be words, numbers, or dates. We type this information inside small boxes called cells. Now, look at the screen. This is Microsoft Excel. First, we need to select a cell. Let us click on cell A1. When a cell is selected, it becomes the active cell. Now we can type. Let us type the word name and press the Enter key. Good. Excel moves to the next cell. Now, in cell A2, let us type Ali and press Enter. Very good. Now let us type more names. In cell A3, type Ahmed. In cell A4, type Sarah. Great job. Now we will enter numbers. Numbers are also part of data entry. Click on cell B1. Type marks and press Enter. Now in cell B2, type 85. In cell B3, type 90. In cell B4, type 78. Excellent. Excel can store numbers, so later we can do calculations. Now let us enter a date. Click on cell C1. Type date and press Enter. Now click on cell C2. Type 01/01/2026 and press Enter. Excel understands that this is a date. Very smart. Now let us learn how to edit data. If you make a mistake, do not worry. Double-click on the cell. Let us double-click on cell A2. Change Ali to Ali Khan. Press Enter. Good. Now let us learn how to delete data. Click on cell C2. Press the Delete key on the keyboard. The data is removed. Now let us revise what we learned today. Basic data entry means typing data into Excel cells. We learned how to enter text, enter numbers, enter dates, edit data, delete data. This is the first step to learning Excel. If you practice this, you will become better every day. If you like this video, please like it. Subscribe to Tech School for more easy Excel lessons. In the next video, we will learn basic formatting in Excel. Thank you for watching.